Hi, my name is Bernd Bob and I am the head of Industrial Computed Tomography. Today I would like to talk to you about shape and position tolerances. Shape and position tolerances are benchmarks in manufacturing. They ensure the products not only function, but also meet the highest quality and safety requirements. The dimensions, shape, and position of a component are clearly specified in the technical drawings. The related tolerances on the shape and position specify how far the geometry is allowed to deviate from the ideal situation specified. While failure to meet the tolerances may signify safety risk in some circumstances, it will always degrade the quality and functionality of parts or entire assemblies. We utilize various state-of-the-art technologies to acquire precisely the dimensions, shape, and position of components and ensure they're correct. Depending on the size of the component or the area of the component to be inspected, we rely on tactile or optical metrology. On the other hand, for internal structures, we use computed tomography. After a nominal actual comparison using our analysis software, we can see whether the deviations measured are acceptable. Our measuring spectrum ranges from the smallest components to items of up to 3 meters. The results of the dimensional inspection are recorded in a measurement report and evaluated as per the tolerance requirements of ISO 1101. In this way, we ensure the quality and conformity of the components.